Hello everyone. Let us discuss the next topic, that is elimination of unit production. First of all, we have to see here what is unit production. A production is of the form A gives B. Then that production is known as unit production. Here this A and B are non-terminals. Here what is unit production actually? The unit production which contains the unit, that means single non-terminal symbol on the right hand side of the production, that is known as unit production. For example, see here one example. Eliminate unit production from the following grammar. S gives ABA or BA or AA or AB or A or B. A gives AA or A, B gives BB or B. So see here, first of all, identify the unit productions. Here in the productions of A, this A and B are single non-terminals on the right hand side of the productions of the S, so that S contains unit productions. So here we have to write here S contains unit productions. S contains unit productions. So how to remove that unit production? So instead of this unit production or single non-terminal, we have to replace the productions of this single non-terminal. For example, see here, consider the production which contains the unit production, that is S gives ABA, BA, AA, AB. Here A is a, first of all we have to write the production of A. Here A is a unit production. A is a unit non-terminal symbol. So instead of this A, we have to replace the productions of A. If there is one production, then we have to replace that one production. If A contains two or more productions, then we have to replace the two or more productions instead of this A. So see here, S gives ABA or BA or AA or AB, and instead of this A, we have to replace the productions of A. First production of A is AA and second production of this A is small a. Same as instead of this B, we have to replace the productions of B. Like first production of B is small b, capital B, and second production of B is small b. In this way, we have to remove the unit productions from the given grammar. So final grammar after removing unit production. Final grammar after removing unit production, unit productions is as follows. So we have to write the final grammar. First of all, we have to write the starting non-terminal, productions of starting non-terminal, ABA, BA, AA, AB and AA or A, BB or B. And the productions of A does not contain any unit production, so that we have to write as it is, and B gives BB or B. In this way, we have to remove the epsilon productions from the given grammar. Let us consider one more example of a unit production. See here, one more example. S gives AB or B. A gives BS and B gives A 1 or 1. Here the non-terminal which contains the unit productions, that are only S, because S contains the unit production, that is single non-terminal, that is B. Here we cannot say that B contains unit production because this is a terminal symbol, one terminal symbol or single terminal symbol. But the definition of a unit production says that there is a single non-terminal symbol on the right hand side of the production. So it is terminal symbol, that's why it is not a unit. Okay, so consider the production which has or which contains the unit non-terminal, that is B. So instead of this unit or single non-terminal B, we have to replace the production of B. Like S gives AB, or instead of B contains two productions. So write down first production, that is A1 or 1, then A1 or 1. Okay, in this way we have to remove the unit production. So final grammar after eliminating the unit production is that final grammar is S contains AB or B. Sorry, we cannot write this grammar again because here we have to remove the unit production B. AB or A1 or A. Then production of A does not contain any unit production, so that keep as it is. B also does not contains any unit production, so keep as it is. Okay, in this way we have to remove the unit production. Let us consider one more example, that is S gives A or BB, A gives B or B, and B gives S or A. Here the productions which contains unit symbol, that is S, A and B. So first of all consider the production of S. S gives A, B, B. Here we have to replace the production of A in the place of A. S gives the production of A is B, B and B, B. Okay. After that, instead of this A, we have to replace, instead of this B, we have to replace the production of B. That is S gives, first production of B is S and second production of B is A. Then B or B, B. Here the dependency is present, so that we have to write S derives, instead of this A we have to replace the production of B, and B instead of this B we have to replace the production of S. That's why B, B or B. So A, B or B, B. Then consider next production, A gives B or B. Here instead of B we have to replace the production of B. What is the production of B? S or A, and this B will be as it is. Then A derives, instead of this A we have to replace the productions of S, A, B or BB. But A and B is already present here, so do not repeat here. So write A, B or B, B. Then consider last production, that is B. B gives S or A. So instead of this A we have to write the productions of A, that is A, B or BB, or this is A. But this A and this A will be repeated, so that A, B, B, B. So final grammar after eliminating epsilon production, final grammar after eliminating unit production is that S implies A or B or BB. A gives A or B or BB, and B gives A or B or BB. In this way, we have to remove the unit production. Thank you.